Right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another POV. Hope you've had a great Christmas. Hope you're looking forward to the new year. We went over to Liverpool just before Christmas. Obviously, I've only just got round to making it with obviously Christmas and things. But yeah, me and George went over, fellow YouTuber, to just basically to take some shots around town, including the Christmas markets, Liverpool 1. And obviously, you know, the Albert Dock, things like that. So we got over there pretty handy. It was quite light when we got over there. We had a quick drink halfway through it. The sun went down. We got some nice nighttime photography in around the markets. Some great long exposures. So look out for them, because obviously the first time I'm going to be putting long exposures on the channel. There are a few moments where the GoPro recorded time lapses instead of videos. And then there's other clips where the audio isn't there. So I'll just put some music in them. But if you're wondering what's going on, simply down to the GoPro footage, but the pictures were too good to leave out anyway. The video is quite long, but the pictures do get better in my opinion, obviously as the sun draws a close. But yeah, if you do like today's video, please hit that subscribe button for me, help me out, you know, stick around the channel if you're new to photography, and hope that you can learn with me. Anyway, let's get into it.
And we got one more this way. Yeah.
I got a picture of you taking the picture.
Another picture here, shaking hands.
Yeah, go ahead.
Nice one, buddy. Right, let's
What the 50mm on us, we'll go back a bit.
oh, this is the plan. Yeah?
Nice one, mate.
Oh, respect, yeah. So you guys like professional photographers? What's the crack?
They can't really see it, but
Yeah, it looks alright.
yeah, do you going to scroll in for him?
Yeah,
Maybe
I
you think you can pinch
can
it.
see it, yeah. So what do you guys do, like professional shooting?
Yeah, so
Or
we've got
just-
like Instagram pages, YouTube pages and stuff
Is
like
it?
that. Yeah.
How do I follow? What is it? Off-white, is that the one?
Just this hoodie.
Oh, is that
Mine's Roy Tomo.
Right, Tomo.
Yeah, on Instagram he'll show you.
So it's just going to be GP_NW1
NW1.
Northwest.
Alright,
Northwest
see you
one.
guys in a bit.
See ya.
Take it easy.
Oh yeah, look at the Christmas. Hey, look at the Christmas tree refraction in the glass there.
Nice, that, like.
Mm. Hey, what is this? PlayStation store?
PlayStation HQ.
Wow, what? I did not even know that this existed. Up. Nah, yeah. To be fair, sometimes when you go in and it's good, like a focal point. A little bit darker, that'd be amazing, that. Could probably get the light, like the blue tip and the neon post. Svitzer Amazonas. German maybe?
There's no sort of grey area. It's F4 as well, all the way through.
Is it, yeah? That's cooking. Right, that's gonna get in here. What I got last time. I was just gonna.
As long as you give us a shout out in your next video, mate.
To be honest, I was gonna just tag it anyway and include that bit where we met the fella and put that picture in. See what that's like. Triple box here. That sign. Mr. Kebab. Go on, yeah. What are you saying?
But you take these 2 minute exposures, right? And it looked like no one's there, and he's done it at like 6 o'clock, and like the Paris tube's just kicking on. Okay, nice, honestly.
Oh, well, I didn't realise. Oh yeah, there is a way. Yeah, look at the wheel there. The crispy pig. ever had churros, by the way?
And then like
You got a nice framing of the tower there, right here. Yeah, I just seen that. They, maybe even the lights coming over the tunnel. Be good with your long lens, that. Yeah, nice shot here. Hey George, what about here? So we're getting like a long exposure where the cars are going to be coming out and going into the tunnel. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. A long exposure covering them cars going around the roundabout into the tunnel and past the tunnel. I'll get my little tripod out.
There's a little roundabout one. There's a roundabout one, you right?
Yes, like that. Nice. Time at 2 seconds.
Like this. Anyway, 30 seconds. See if you like the results, and if not, then you change it from seconds.
So it's capturing all this light for them 30 seconds, isn't it?
So like the minute inside your camera now, it's just went bang, just went off. It's just gathering that data for 30 seconds.
Even maybe just a bit of an angle there. Bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
That was alright, but I don't know what you think, yeah. And that one a bit higher. Buses in this one. Nice. That look good, like.
Always move round.
Yeah, just want to get one up down there as well, where those cars are coming from. We'll move around. All brake lights as well.
What's always out to get it that way? We're getting it. Like it?
That's what I was thinking about, just because of the roads. And these, you know, the escalators when they got a picture of that delivery guy picture.
Park and all that, like.
Yeah.